Hello, I am Ogechi Rundu, and I'm happy to come your way again today on this platform of Have Talk with Oge, where we're looking at I don't care syndrome in men, their causes and effects. You know, when I talk about I don't care syndrome, I mean when a man is totally disconnected or when he loses interest in his woman, then it results in I don't care attitude. I don't care syndrome. He doesn't care about what happens in the world of the wife. They live together, but they are not connecting together. They don't share life together. They sleep in the same bed, but they are in their different and separate worlds. They talk, actually, but they don't communicate. Yes, but both of them are living in the same roof. And when a man disconnects emotionally, it affects everything that happens. You know, we ask the question, why did it happen? Why two people that were in love before, it could be maybe they have been in marriage for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, or 40, it doesn't matter. But when a man disconnects, it affects a lot of things. You may ask, do women not get disconnected as well? Yes, women do get disconnected. We are talking about men today. Maybe some other time we'll talk about women. Because it is a very important thing in our families today. It is a very important issue. A lot of women are crying. They are talking about, my husband feels I don't care. He doesn't even care about what happens to me. He doesn't care about my feelings. He doesn't care about the home, about the children. What are the causes? Because nothing happens without any cause. Yes. You know, when a man loses interest in you as a person, he loses interest in your life, he loses interest in your love life, he loses interest in everything. No, I've had the account of a lady. There was a lady that cried to me actually. She came and said, do you know that for the past 2 years, my husband has not touched me? So I asked her, did the husband travel? She said, no. We have been sleeping on the same bed together. So sometimes I will try to appear naked and lie down on the bed. You know what he would do? He said, please, cover your body. On the same bed. Now I asked her, does he play out? She said, no. Because one day I came to where he was taking his bath and I saw him masturbating in the bathroom. That means he had been suppressing his emotions. So what could be the cause? Do you know that we all are created in the image and after the likeness of God? Everyone craves for love. Everyone craves for affection. So when the affection is no longer there, there is a problem. There is a serious problem. So what could be the cause? So is now in the aspect of the ladies. What could be making the man to be disconnected emotionally, not to be showing affection anymore? So number one, the attitudes of the wives. Your attitude could be causing it because sometimes what we face in our homes, what we pass through, the torment, the agony are caused by the women. Are you a nagging woman? A man came to me and said, my wife nags and she is killing me gradually. I told her, the woman said, I told her, if you want me to die, continue the way you are treating me. So sometimes those treatments are not as a result of hatred, no. They may think that they are trying to correct impressions or lifestyles, but that is not the way. When a man is fully disconnected emotionally, to get the connection back again, it might not be easy. Because when the vibe is not there, a lot of things are affected. So the attitudes of the wives can cause the emotional disconnection. Then you're dressing at home. How do you dress? Now see a woman that has 2 children dressing like an old woman, tying wrapper everywhere. The man may not complain. At the initial time it might not be anything to him, but you are creating an impression. Something is playing in his brain, in his mind, that my wife is getting old. And it will affect his reactions, his attitude. And with time, he will get emotionally disconnected. So mind the way you dress at home. Then when you are sleeping at night, how do you dress? You may think that, she talks about sex, she talks about romance, she talks about this. It is very important. Let me tell you, men need it, women need it. That is what will keep our marriages moving. So at home, yes, at night when you are sleeping, it is no wrong to sleep with a bum shot, but get a see-through inner wear. Be accessible. Let the man be able to assess you and see every course as you are lying down. It is allowed. So make sure that you are handling your own part very well. Because if the man did not get the love and satisfaction he needs, that is human being for you. We all crave for affection. So I might not be wrong to say that he will go to look for it elsewhere. You may think that, oh, say, is she justifying the attitude or the act? I am not justifying anything, but that is human behavior. Know the way to package yourself. Know the size of your bra. Know the size. Know how the things that will give you good fitting. Look well, look packaged. You know, most times we talk about ladies, how you dress, do this, do that, and it looks as if the men are left behind, but women, we are the center of the whole thing. It is very important. What are the effects of I don't care syndrome? It causes depression. When the partner is showing I don't care attitude and everything, the wife goes out, comes in, the man doesn't care, your mood changes, he doesn't care, things happen to you. Sometimes the woman sometimes the woman may be sick. Unless she opens her mouth to tell the husband may not feel it. So it's also part of the I don't care syndrome. I didn't say it is good. It is very wrong, but we are trying to see what are causing it and the effects. So another effect is that it brings about loneliness in marriage. When the other one is not showing concern, the partner will feel lonely in the marriage. Even the person that is also showing a don't care attitude may still feel lonely in that same marriage. So it brings about loneliness, it brings about disconnection, and any of the parties to play out to look for love elsewhere. There are lots of damages that can be experienced when there is I don't care syndrome in marriage. What are the solutions? The two parties involved should come together and sort their differences. Let there be acknowledgement, repentance, forgiveness, apology, then you take responsibilities. So I believe that God will bring healing to our homes. God will bring restoration to our homes. And God will help us to keep moving well to the glory of His name. Thanks for being part of this episode. Another day we are going to talk about the I don't care syndrome in women, the causes and effects as well. Thanks for joining us. Remember to share this broadcast. I am Ogechi Erondu. God bless.